So I was reading a paper today about the molecular effects of exercise and cancer, and when I was out for my run this evening, I thought, being ever the scientist, I was curious as to what was happening inside my body as I was running. And then I thought I'd just jump on here and share it with you. So apart from anything, my core body temperature is obviously increased because of the beautiful sunshine as well. And my heart rate is faster. It's sitting at currently 143. It's gone down quite a bit since when I stopped. And so my blood is pumping a lot faster around my system. My muscles are secreting loads of these tiny little proteins called myokines, which then act elsewhere in the body, so they affect other organs. But what really intrigued me was the role that our immune cells play in modulating our anti-cancer response. So we have a number of different immune cell types that are involved in the anti-cancer action, and two of the most important, I think, are the killer immune cells. So we have natural killer cells, NK cells, and we have cytotoxic T cells, or killer T cells. Now, our cytotoxic T cells are created by our thymus, hence the name T cells. They come from the thymus, which is roughly about here in your sternum. And when you're born, you obviously haven't got much of an immune system. You're developing that as you grow. You get a lot of it from your mum through breast milk, and then eventually you develop your own immune system until when you're about, 18 months, your thymus is about as big as it's ever going to get. And then over the course of the next few years, or the course of your lifetime, it shrinks. On average, it halves in size by about every 16 years. So by the time that you are, I'm kicked off the farm, by the time that you are learning to drive, your thymus is half the size as it was when you were a toddler, which I think is quite amazing. Anyway, so your NK cells and your killer T cells are the ones that help you in your anti-cancer immune response. And when we exercise, they are actually mobilized. So you have more of these cells circulating around your bloodstream, ready to mop up and kill off any rogue cancer cells that you might have roaming about your bloodstream. So the next time that you go to pull on your trainers to go for a run or a walk, or go to the gym to do some weights, or even, go to a Zumba class or your local club size, just know that you are doing yourself a huge favour, and that you are protecting yourself from as many as 13 different cancers. And if you are a cancer patient, particularly if you've had breast, prostate or colon cancer, you're reducing your risk of getting a secondary. So that's all from me now. My heart rate has now, it's gone up, 151, but I've still got no excuses not to start running again. So I'll be off. See you later.